who is Iman Gadzhi, which suddenly exploded on YouTube? What are his intentions here? What is the secret behind him? Iman is on YouTube for a while and only started to be famous now. He shows a life of luxury and millions of dollars spent everywhere. From that perspective, he tries to teach his viewers valuable lessons about life. But is it all a lie? Looking deeper into his past, you can see he documented his life experiences, or at least some of them, on YouTube. As he said himself, YouTube was never his main income, and he was doing it as a hobby. And the only reason he's still uploading videos is not because he wants more money, but because he got so used with doing it that it would be weird for him not to. It became a part of his life. The suspicious part of him is that his channel was a relatively small channel and this guy was basically unknown. This until February 2022, when his channel started growing like crazy, from a mere 1000 new subscribers a month to 16,000 to 35,000 and up to 359,000 new subscribers a month. The other suspicious thing is that from time to time he's deleting some of his own videos, as it happened in May 2020 and now in November 2022. And I'm not sure this suddenly happened after all these years just because he optimized his videos better for the algorithm. I personally believe that his channel skyrocketed because of one thing: money. I believe he used money to get promoted through different ways, and that's why this sudden explosion happened. Iman became rich by creating his agency, which he talks a lot in his videos. So I think he used his money to promote his channel, and that's why it became the fastest growing channel in this niche. And I've seen him giving away money for more promotion, even now in his recent videos. As he is a businessman, he is growing his business. I can't say I found anything evil in his intentions, or at least not yet. And he even promised to give away all the money he gets from YouTube ads, which is a lovely method of helping others, and surely something a scammer would never do. For this fact, I believe Iman is genuine with his fortune, and as I noticed, unlike Mr. Beast, who's giving away his money to anyone, Iman seems to select his lucky ones, which is even better since he tries to help only the right people who he is worthy of getting help. So congratulations Iman, you are doing a great job and thank you for helping the community.